I would like to invite on stage the country's most prolific visual artist, director and creative editor of Bangladesh Brand Forum, founder of Bangladesh Creative Forum, president of Women in Leadership, Ms. Nazia Andali Prima. With a big round of applause, please welcome Ms. Nazia Andali Prima.
Hello everyone, good evening. So glad to be here after, I call it 730 days for me. Everybody have got their own data and days. So it's amazing to see you all after so many days. I think this whole 2 years for me, it was a learning experience for me. It was an experience that I never had before. It was an experience of reflection, introspection, and also know why I am here for. So from that notion, I think we all had our own reflection. And this is 5th Digital Marketing Summit, award actually. I realized that to me, always it is never been awarded. It's about the journey. It is the journey that I'm giving as a creative person, as an artist, as a human. So we are in the era of digital transformation, revolution, whatever it is, but we are actually in the journey of becoming, truly becoming what we are. That's what I realize, even deeper than before. So what I like to say today as a welcome speaker, I just had my exhibition, I think a week ago. It was my 23rd solo exhibition, and I call it Mistrace, MIS-TRACE. So people were very curious why my exhibition called the Mistrace. So I was reflecting and I was thinking that we might think if we are really could make our mark in this world, or we are actually mistressed. From that notion, the exhibition represented my 50 artworks, but I did actually 285 artworks during 730 days. I was very isolated. I was very lonely. I was very much in desperation and uncertainty like everybody. It's not about the uncertainty that we will not be here for eternity, but what we have done so far and what we're gonna achieve in future. So as a person, I'm a very deep thinker because artists are bound to be like that. Creative people are. And I'm sure here you are all creative and you are all thriving together. So it is our sense that actually tell us what we need to do, what we should do, and what we would do. So digit is everywhere. In this exhibition, I noticed that all my collectors, all my art viewer, lover, has totally transformed. I was surprised to see that the people who followed me, they were totally transformed by the young generation, Generation Z, I think. And they are the Instagram generation, and they are amazing. And with them, none of my friends could really cope. So I was thinking, who are they? And mesmerizing they were. They posted my stories every day, as if it was my rebirth with them. actually. So I feel that if we thrive with the next generation, we will never feel age. We will never age. It's always evolving, and life is a journey that evolves every day. So as digital, because every day, every minute, every second, somebody else is doing a new thing. What I'm doing now, it has been done before. What I'm going to do tomorrow, it just happened today. That's what I felt, and that's what I noticed and witnessed. So I noticed that how will I cope? I cope with the sensibility, with the ability of understand every moment that why we are here. And digital era has given us such an opportunity to learn every day, thrive every day, strive every day to become better human, better person, and better who we are. This award, actually, I was going through all the awardees today, Jara Pabin. Congrats to all. So we call it best in this, best in this. But actually, it is not a journey of being best or being somebody great. It's a journey of what we learn every day, because our time is so limited, and learning is the most exciting thing. Because during last 25 years of my career, I actually love learning. From learning, I learned web designing, portal designing, e-commerce, art. Brand Forum gave me the platform to learn many things. It is a learning platform. And that's why I think the journey of 12 years with Brand Forum was super exciting. Otherwise, I couldn't have done it. Because myself, I'm a very exciting person, and I cannot breathe without excitement. And the excitement ensured only by learning new things. And to apply that, and to try to encourage people to be in it. It is not an institutional thing anymore. It is actually us within. So the era is changing so rapidly that nowadays mentor word has become very old. Because we, this last 2 years was our mentor, our mentee. We guide ourselves and we thrive within. So I think learning has to be a most important process. And this process actually, I say 3E. I follow these 3 E's, which is experiment, explore, and experience. These 3 E's are the driving force of my life. And I think you all are, that's why thriving, and that's why you are here. And thank you very much, Brand Forum, for giving me this opportunity. আমি last 12 বছরে এত ছবি আঁকতে পারিনি because I was engaged in many creative exploration, because I think creativity is abundant. It has no limitation. Nowadays, NFT taken place, blockchain is coming, animation is the art, data is the art. We are going to Documenta, which is the biggest art event. Venice Biennale, the biggest art event. The art events are taken by the data-driven research. So art is everywhere, creativity is everywhere. Without being creative, we can't break nothing. Like our world is the biggest example of creativity. If we think about the Almighty, whatever we believe, He's the biggest artist. So ekta patar sathe ekta patar kono mil jekhane nai, how can we thrive without a creative notion? So I would definitely pledge that all of you, please, please, please try to be creative, always be a learner, and always try to be the next better person that you want to see. And thank you very much, everybody. Thank you, and congrats all the winners.